you Shilpi for this session for me, and it was very relaxing. I'm still in a trance, I think, and I could feel that tingling in my fingers, and my whole body was like kind of in some kind of some vibrating mode, or I could feel the waves. I think I could feel the waves, though a lot of thoughts were coming and going, but still I could feel that something is happening in my body, and as if it is levitating or something. I felt cold also, and I was snoring. You told me I was snoring also, and it was very relaxing and lovely experience. I would love to come back again for it.